Colors Bindi to go off-air on this date. Check out the wrap-up party glimpses. Colors Bindi, which is recently took a major 15-year leap, is now heading towards its conclusion. The makers have decided to end the show. According to reports in Downtown Mirror, the finale episode scheduled to air on January 16. The decision brings an unexpected end to the series, which has been on air for only about 4 months. Bindi premiered in September last year, and despite an attempt to refresh its storyline, it will now join the list of shows that ended much earlier than planned. The announcement comes shortly after the show introduced a new phase in its story. In the second half of December, the makers pushed the narrative forward with a long-time leap in the hope of reviving audience interest and opening up a new storytelling possibility. Following the leap, Shruti Chaudhary and Ashay Mishra were introduced as the new lead pair. Shruti stepped into the role of Bindi, while Ashay portrayed Mahi Pathak in the post-leap storyline. This marked a major shift in the show's structure as the story moved from its original character to an older version of their lives. Before this change, the show featured Radhika Muthukumar and Kushal Ahuja as the adult leads. The younger version of Bindi and Mahi were played by Sanchi Bure and Gatavya Sharma, who laid the emotional foundation of the story in its early episode. Why is the show ending? Despite the change in cast and storyline, Bindi was unable to hold on to its momentum. The arrival of new cast was intended to give the show a new direction, attract more viewers, but the sudden shift in the narratives did not sustain steady audience interest. The attempt to restart the story with new generation did not translate into long-term viewership. With the finale episode now confirmed for January 16, the journey of Bindi will come to an end. Although its run was short, the show tried to tell a story centered on an emotional change, family bonds, and the impact of time on people's lives.